Now, I have a few points I want to tell regarding the do's and don'ts after this surgery. Do's are literally everything you were doing before the surgery, except one thing, which is the don't. And the only thing we advise not to do after a knee surgery or a knee joint replacement surgery is to be sitting on the ground cross-legged. You might be able to do it, you might have no problem doing it, but it definitely affects the life of the joint. It affects the life of the artificial joint. So it is best avoided. But there are some knees available which are called high flex knees, which even allow you to sit on the floor, squat, or even sit cross-legged. So all in all, it's a very comfortable journey now for a patient to take in knee joints, hip joints, shoulder and elbow joint replacement. Thank you.